Alright guys, it's about 4:30 in the morning. And if you were wondering why I can't sleep, I'm about to show you guys why I can't sleep. Shh, shh, shh. It's the Abominable Snore Man. The Abominable Snore Man. Listen, shh, shh. How am I supposed to sleep? How am I supposed to sleep with that? How? Somebody explain it to me. It's just not possible. Listen, just listen. Shh, shh, shh. He could, he could wake up the dead. He wake up the dead with that snore. That's not fair. I'm never again in life am I ever rooming with him to go anywhere. You thought it was the alcohol why I look so tired? No. It's the Abominable Snore Man. This doesn't make any sense. Oh my gosh. What the hell? I don't even know how. How? Now I gotta try to go to sleep. Alright, I'll see what I can do. Night.